Grinding processing, as a precision finishing technique in mechanical manufacturing, bears the ultimate responsibility for shaping the surface, texture, and accuracy of components. At the core of grinding processing lies the dual force of grinding and finishing. The grinding wheel rotates at high speed, utilizing the fine abrasive grains on its surface to perform micro-cutting on the workpiece surface. Simultaneously, the workpiece feeds uniformly along a preset trajectory through the scraping and polishing effects of the abrasive grains. Excess material on the workpiece surface is removed, ultimately achieving extremely high dimensional accuracy and surface smoothness. The core advantages of grinding processing lie in its high precision and superior surface finish. It enables the precision machining of extremely hard materials, such as hardened steel and carbide alloys, addressing the surface roughness defects left by previous processes like turning or drilling. From the finishing of automotive core components and the smooth processing of machine tool guides to the precision grinding of high-gloss mold cavity, grinding processing serves as a critical link in achieving high-end manufacturing. Would you like to know more about our company's products or services? Welcome your attention subscription. Welcome to leave a message in the comment area and consultation to get more industry information.